Quick! Gugu Gaga needs to collect some blocks. Good thing they fall from the sky around here. Okay, I think we've got enough. Let's see what we've caught. I know! We can use it to make our very own penguin friend. But next, let's take a trip to Spunky Land. But where's the color? I think some locals can help us out with this. Come on, Pinky, perk up those petals. You too, Durple. And Vineria can really show off that green thumb of hers. Okay, you go and bring color to Mole World. We gotta go help this butterfly up next. Orange seems traditional. Plus yellow and glue. That means we need Orin, Simon, and Sky. I'd say he's a monarch, because he looks like a king. Either this pile of papers back from the salon, or Lily Love Braids is underneath all that stuff. We need to make you a trash can, but let's keep it on brand. But we don't know what we're touching, so let's make a claw. It's even safer, and I might add cooler than gloves. We can almost see Lily's face again. Ooh, maybe we should bring that paper back? Just kidding. Let's scrub off the slime. Now, why don't we throw on some mascara? And eyeshadow. Yeah, purple's on brand. Plus, it's glittery. Some people are stars. This girl's a whole constellation. And it looks like we've got the purple key. It's time for a little penguin playtime. Ooh, we should help warm things up. Not too much. Don't want things hard-boiled. But we don't want an eggsicle either. Here comes the sun. Now we're cracking. It's Gugu Gaga. Talk about making an entrance. And just in time for breakfast. Fresh fish. Aw, our new house guest is adorable. And she's got a lot of energy to burn. Hey, where'd you get that gum? Ugh, it's gonna blow! Well, on the bright side, it didn't get in your hair. Hey, bubblegum should always be used for good. But if you want to blow big bubbles, I think we can come up with something for you. Just need a balloon and a paper cup. And why not give it a cute bunny theme? She'll blow all the bubbles you want for you. Oh no! I just knew the cardboard boxes would revolt. Oh, it's just you. But it's not nice to scare people. Or take jobs from hardworking Jack-in-the-Boxes. Wait, that's it! Grab some paper. X marks the spot. Fold them up. And you get an open box. Next up, we're gonna need our own Jack. Except this Jack is a penguin girl. I'll call her Jackie. Add some wings and a paper staircase. Stick her inside and give her a push. After all, there won't be enough for the rest of us. I know. What you need is a special cardboard box. With an even smaller box inside. And look, it's even got a special cardboard tongue. In fact, you know it's got good taste. There's an even bigger tongue. Look, it's a special penguin candy bank. Just press the beak and the sweets are yours. Just at a slower, friendlier pace. Of course, she might have other ideas about that last part. Can't fall asleep? Ooh, there's a monster under your bed? Oh, it's just Santa. And unlike monsters, he's real. Santa only appears when you're sleeping. So we just have to convince him that it's daytime. What we need is a powerful nightlight. Now we just need to whip up a special potion. It's like we've got a whole glass of sunshine. And I'm not talking orange juice. Off to the North Pole for him, and bed for you. Well, no use crying over spilled bubble solution. Yeah, I know that's not how it goes. But you'd be surprised by how many things can spill. In the meantime, wrap string around a bottleneck. Now add a penguin, just to keep things on theme. And a little soap and water always go a long way. Just don't forget to mix it up and give our little friend a dip. Now make a wish and blow. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Huntrix to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Uh-oh, we kind of forgot about the interior. Unless, of course, you're into early Halloween. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Seriously, we're only a few minutes into this video. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Uh-oh, I think they took that as a challenge. What could be behind all these bugaboos? Should have known. Chinu, he's back. In bee form. I think Gui Ma demoted the Saja boys. Ooh, but they're still too cute to swat. Maybe a little paper craft is what we need. Just remember, sometimes it's easy being green. Especially when you put a nice face on things. Bugs beware, a hungry frog! And he comes with a long tongue. Gotta catch 'em all. To think, soon we could start our own hive. You bees should know you can't mess with a queen. Wow, Huntrix is huge. They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussy is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Whoa, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Huntrix can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. I think you girls earned a treat. Make sure to leave a tip. Just look at all these goodies. Spread it out. We've got dumplings, candies, and lotus root. Why don't we get the girls' lunchbox ready? Hey, look! All of this stuff is doll food, which is the perfect thing when preparing lunch for dolls. Sure, you can't actually eat any of this, but on the bright side, just imagine the shelf life. And the fun of packing them up never has to end. No matter how much it makes your mouth water. Here, girls, you've got your very own bento box. Well, you don't have to ask them twice. Bon appetit! Ooh, anyone want an after-dinner mint? Meanwhile, we've got to clean up after the concert. Don't worry, girls. We know to work smarter, not harder. We're just gonna need to whip up some labor-saving devices. That's too much work. Just one device, but a really big one. And look, it's even on brand. It's a Derpy machine. Gotta love Derpy, especially when he brings his appetite. Good kitty. We'll put you back together. Don't worry, soon you'll have a good head on your shoulders. Plus a few other necessary accessories. You're never fully dressed without antennae. See? You're feeling just as animated as ever. And you look it too. Something tells me you should turn down the volume. Don't worry, she's a little nearsighted. Why, she won't even notice that book's upside down. See? So say hi to Aslan for Mom. By the way, did you notice there's a disco in your cabinet? Oh, it's just a giant blowout party. With planned choreography and a bespoke song. Anyone thirsty? We'll get the apple juice ready. Did I say juice? Silly me. I meant the turntables. Make some holes for buttons. We're going real high tech. Add a rainbow. It's kind of a sprunky thing. How about we empty that can next? After all, the speakers are the stars of the show. Come on, everybody. This will really get the party started. What's cooler than cool? Cool Tool! I think it's time we squeeze in some homework. Tired? Well, I guess a quick nap won't hurt. Careful, you two! Oh no! You deleted her work! Well, some candies will cheer you up. I think she's got an idea. Let's start by polishing up this box. Here's a familiar face. It's Funbot. We're gonna give him a full body makeover. Complete with a brand new motherboard. And you just can't beat a widescreen. It looks like our Sprunkies want to play. After all, they'll get to see some old friends.